Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It's Easy Does Tube. Today we're going to be checking out non-lethal pepperball guns. And this is the Bryna HD. And this is, I really like this gun because it's very compact. You could conceal it very easily. And when you get the kit, you get the gun. These are the Bryna, the powder, 68 caliber pellets, and you get the inertia powder. These are like for practicing, and you also get 5 of these. It's like plastic and metal caliber projectiles, and you get this extra magazine. I bought the holster, but you get it in a nice case. If I don't put this video out, I'll do another video with the actual case that you get. But I like it a lot because it's very compact. It shoots really accurate. So the interesting thing about this one, it takes these small gram CO2s. So your average CO2 is like 12 grams. This is 8 grams. And you get an extra, oh, look at that. It looks like a pepper ball. You get an extra magazine. And the way it works is you undo this little square little cap, and then you pop in the cylinder, the CO2, and then you're gonna tighten it with this, like a little Allen key right here. But the really cool thing about it is that you don't puncture the cylinder when you do that, when you put it in there. When you're on fire mode, as soon as you fire, they'll puncture the CO2 canister and you would actually, shot will come out. So you don't have to, if this would be punctured and you're carrying it around, you would lose the air or the gas, and then if something happens and you need to use this, it could be totally empty with no gas. So that's like a really cool feature. The thing's popping out, the cartridge. But I really like it because it's really really compact. But I'm gonna try to, on my next video, I'm gonna try to shoot paintballs out of it. And then we'll do the powder, the inertia powder. And then I'll show you, we'll shoot off the rubber rounds. But the kit, here's one thing. If you go to the Bryna website, they will not send this to California in the black color, and you will not get the pepper balls. So it's kind of pointless. You would get like the practice powder balls, or you'll get the rubber balls, and then also you won't get it in black. So you would get it like in orange or in yellow. But that's the weird thing about this. There's authorized dealers on eBay, and if you need this for California, they'll send it to you. And there's also a lot of, there's other brands of pepper balls, and I'll show you guys in the next video, that you could use on this gun. So this was the Bryna HD pepper ball gun. And on the next video, I'll show you guys when I'm shooting it, and then we'll try different projectiles, like we'll try paintballs. And I have other different brands of powder paintballs. So we'll do that next time. But this is the Bryna HD, and you're watching Easy Does Too. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and like.